Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Native Reflex English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. I am very happy to be here today because we are tackling one of the biggest topics for English learners.
That's right, Paul. Today is all about that big dream. We're talking about how to speak convincingly in a job interview for a role you truly dream of. It's a high-pressure situation, isn't it?
Absolutely. Many students feel they have the vocabulary, but when they sit in that chair, their brain feels like hard work. They start translating from their native language, and suddenly their sound is slow or uncertain.
And we want to help you sound fast, natural, and most importantly, confident. Today, we're going to give you 3 magic keys to unlock that interview door.
And before we start, if you're dreaming of a new job, click that like button for good luck. And please subscribe because it helps us help you achieve your goals.
Let's start at the beginning. The interviewer looks at you and says, "Tell me about yourself."
The most common question in the world. Many people find it scary, but Emily, you have a beautiful way to describe this question recently.
Yes! Don't see it as a test. See it as an invitation. It's an invitation to share a little bit about who you are and what you love.
But in a job interview, you can't just say, "I like pizza and I have a cat named Luna," right?
Exactly. You need to focus on your professional identity. You start with the basics: your name, where you are from, and what you do. For example, my name is Paul, and I am an English teacher. I love my job.
That's a great start. It's simple, clear, and friendly. But to be convincing, you need to add your passion. If you are an art student, don't just say you study it. Say, "I study art and I love it because it's very creative."
Right. It shows your personality. In an interview, you can say, "I am a very active person. I try to be active every day." This tells the interviewer you have energy.
And remember, you don't need to say everything at once. Choose the parts of your life that fit the job. If you're applying for a music job, talk about how you play the piano. If it's for a chef position, talk about your love for cooking new recipes.
Now, once you've introduced yourself, you need to sound professional. Paul, you have a secret about 3 magic words that change everything.
I do. These words, could, would, and should, are like the business suit of the English language. They take your normal English and make it look professional and respectful.
I love that. So instead of being direct and raw, we use these to show politeness.
Exactly. Let's say you need the interviewer to explain something. You don't say, "Explain this project." That's an order.
No one wants to give orders to their future boss. So we use could. Could you explain this project to me, please? It sounds softer and much more respectful.
And when they ask what you want from the job, don't say, "I want a high salary," or "I want a meeting." That sounds like a crying child wanting candy.
We use would, right? I would like to discuss my role.
Spot on. "I would like" turns a direct desire into a professional choice. And if they ask for your opinion on a problem, use should. I think we should check the final results again. It's friendly advice, not a command.
So, could for requests, would for desires, and should for advice. That is a communication superpower.
Now, Emily, what happens when the interviewer asks a surprise question? My brain starts to translate from my first language, and I get stuck.
This is the translation wall, and it's very slow. To speak convincingly, we need to train your brain to think directly in English.
Is it difficult?
No, it's easy and fun. The first step is to start small. Think in small English sentences all day. When you wake up, don't think in your language. Think, I am awake. I want coffee.
Oh, so when I'm on the bus to the interview, I shouldn't just be nervous. I should look out the window and think, a man is walking. It is a sunny day.
Exactly. You are connecting English to your life, not your language. This makes your brain fast and natural.
And what about output? Should I talk to myself?
Yes. Speak to yourself in the shower or the car. Describe your world. I am sitting. I am wearing my blue shirt for the interview. Hearing your own voice trains your ears and builds English in your brain.
So by the time I get to the interview, my English brain is already warm and ready to go. I'm not translating anymore. I'm just speaking.
Let's put it all together. I will be the interviewer, and Paul, you are the candidate for your dream job.
I'm ready. I have my business suit words ready.
Good morning, Mr. Paul. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, Miss Emily. My name is Paul. I am from Canada, and I have been a teacher for several years. I love teaching because I like to help people learn new things.
That's great. Why should we hire you?
I am a very organized person. I start my day early to organize my tasks. I would like to bring my experience to your team to help the project grow.
Very professional. Do you have any questions for us?
Yes. Could you tell me more about the daily routine of the team? And I think we should discuss the start date if I am successful.
Excellent. Would you like a glass of water before we continue?
Yes, please. That would be great.
And cut. Did you hear that? Paul used could, would, and should perfectly. He was clear, he didn't hesitate to translate, and he sounded like a master of politeness.
Wow, Emily. I feel so much more confident using those strategies. It really is about the feeling and the situation, not just boring grammar formulas.
It really is. Remember, learning is slow, so be patient with your brain. Small steps every day lead to big changes.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. They mean you are learning. If you say, I am happy, just say, oh, okay, and try again. I am happy.
Be brave and have fun with it. Now, we have a small bit of homework for our amazing community.
Yes. Go to the comments right now. Write one sentence about yourself for an interview. Use one of our magic words, could, would, or should.
For example, I would like to work for your company because I love art. We will read every single one.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and you will land that dream job.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.